Hello and welcome to this course, which will go through all of the requirements you need to become a Microsoft Office Specialist Associate for Office 365 and Office 2019. Now, to earn this certification, you need to pass 3 exams, and the 3 that are in this course are the MO-100 Word, MO-200 Excel, and MO-300 PowerPoint. You get a certification at the end of each of those, but if you get all 3, then you get the overall associate certification. Additionally, this certificate is a prerequisite if you wanted to do the expert specialist. So then you would need to take and pass 2 of the 3 expert exams: Word Expert, Excel Expert, or Access Expert. But that's a way into the future. So in this course, what we're going to do is look at each of these exams in turn. So we're going to have a look at the requirements for each of these exams. We're going to number them, and we're going to give you a PDF so you can see which particular requirements are being used in each particular video, because the video is going to be similarly numbered. At the end of each of these parts of the course, so the Word part, the Excel part, and the PowerPoint part, you'll have gone through all of the requirements for that particular exam. So then you could stop the course there, take the exam, and then move on to the next exam. So go on to Excel, or go on to PowerPoint. Now, you don't have to do these in any particular order, but there is a bit of duplication between the Word and the PowerPoint part. So I go through it fully in the Word part, and then any duplications in the PowerPoint I summarize so you can see how it works in the PowerPoint. So that's this course, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And if you're wondering why you might want to take these certifications, well, let's see what Microsoft say. They say that a study found that 67% of technical professionals, so 2 in 3, say it builds confidence, about 1 in 3 say it leads to salary or wage increases, and 2 in 5 that they're happier in their jobs. If you're a manager, why do you want your employees to do it? Well, trained and certified teams are almost 1/5 more productive than less competent staff, and Microsoft certified IT professionals a 1/4 better across all roles. So having a Microsoft certification allows you to get recognized, get ahead, and get hired. And for your organization, it allows you to increase performance, value, and the talent pool. So let's start by having a look at our first certification, Microsoft Word.